Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech, and from today I'm going to start a new series. I have made a new plan. You can see on the screen that new plan. On Sunday we are going to have the hashtag informative Sunday. On this series we're going to have the informative videos coming up for you. And on Monday we'll have no videos, and on Tuesday we have the series called hashtag Trick Tuesday. In this series I'm going to tell you about the tips, tricks and the hidden settings in your mobile phones or in the laptops or in the personal computers. And on Wednesday we'll have a series called hashtag Web Wednesday. In this series I'm going to tell you about the interesting websites, hidden websites, unknown websites and the unknown apps and the useful apps that might be useful in your daily life. And on Thursday again we will not have any videos, and on Friday you will have a series called hashtag Fact Friday. In this series I'm going to tell you about the hidden facts and the interesting facts about the companies like Apple, Samsung, Huawei and etc. companies. And on Saturday we're going to have a series called hashtag Glorious Gameplay. And in this series I'm going to live stream a game like the PUBG, COD, that is Call of Duty, or the Free Fire or the Apex Legends. As today is a Sunday, we're going to start with our new series that is called a hashtag Informative Sunday. And today's topic is about the best smartphone brand in the year 2019. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Nowadays, Samsung and Xiaomi were in the smartphone #1 brand according to the budget category. Samsung was leader in the past, and now the Xiaomi is dominating slowly the Samsung company. Now there is a Chinese company called the BBK Electronics. This BBK Electronics is the parent company of the Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus and the Realme. According to the counterpoint, the Indian smartphone brand, that is the percentage of the market value they have in the 2019 is Xiaomi is having a lead at the 28%, Samsung is 25%, Vivo is 11%, Realme 9%, OnePlus 2% and the Oppo 8% and another 17%. You might think that Xiaomi is in the lead with the 28%, but if you add all the BBK Electronics, that is the Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus and Realme, it is 30% more than the Xiaomi company. That is more than 2% than the Xiaomi company. First off, BBK has started with the Oppo company and the Vivo company. Oppo has launched in the 2004 and the Vivo was launched in the 2009. These both companies you can see in the offline marketing like the IPL. I think you may have heard that, and in the hoardings and in the advertisements. And slowly the OnePlus has arrived. The OnePlus was launched in the 2013. It was founded by the former Oppo's vice president Pete Lau and Carl Pei. The main aim of the OnePlus is to get a budget flagship, and slowly in the 2018 the budget offering, that is the Realme, has launched by the Sky Lee. If you see the BBK Electronics has covered every segment. That is if you see it, Oppo and Vivo were used for innovations and the offline marketing, and the OnePlus is used for budget flagship and the Realme is used for budget offering. So these all segments, that is the budget, mid-range and the flagship mobiles, has been covered by the BBK Electronics. So by this we can say that BBK Electronics is the #1 brand in the year 2019. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers.